Your ambition? Our aim. With this motto, the placement cell PGDAV College, University of Delhi is characterized by an unparalleled zeal to help students secure jobs after their graduation and help them to get internships during their graduation, aligning with the field of their interest. The cell works tirelessly towards the mutual aim of benefiting the students by connecting them with the corporate world. It endeavors to bring top notch companies for placements and internship opportunities to the campus and thus bridges the gap between the students and the corporate world.
The cell facilitates the students to explore the world of employment and new career avenues and has left no stones unturned by hosting industry experts like Deloitte, D. Shaw, EY, Wipro, Bank of America, PwC, McKinley and Rice, FIS Global, and many more for campus placements this year. This year, 80 plus companies visited the campus for placements and have already recruited 200 plus students, while the result of a few is still awaited. We also feel immensely proud to bring to you all that the highest package offered this year was 19.25 lakhs per annum by D. Shaw Group and the mean package being 4.78 lakhs per annum.
Since the pandemic brought along with itself a lot of free time for the students, our attempt was to turn this into an opportunity for them to explore various fields and make their first step into their corporate journeys through internships. Breaking all the previous records, the placement cell floated 200 plus internships in diversified fields such as content writing, business development, data analyst, digital marketing, graphic designing, human resource, and many more. Along with diversified profiles, the placement cell also made sure to keep their college students cope up with their financial needs by providing them paid internships. Renowned startups and well established companies such as Bharti Airtel, PhonePe, Bajaj Capital, Check, Byju's, and many more came to the campus and offered internship to the students. We are thrilled to accentuate the fact that the highest stipend offered was rupees 60,000 per month, with the average stipend being rupees 5,000 per month.
We at the Placement Cell organize our flagship event Converge, the annual internship fair of PGDAV College. As we were celebrating the 5th edition of our event, it had to be bigger and grander than ever. Given the lack of campus exposure amidst the pandemic, the internship fair was conducted over a unique virtual platform in which the entire setup was mapped in 3D to make this event as close to an offline experience as possible. The platform featured designated areas that enhanced the overall user experience. Auditorium for the inauguration ceremony, information desk for technical support, and interview halls with dedicated booths for each recruiter. The main highlight for the event was the Reserve a Chat feature, through which participants could book a time slot for an interview at their convenience and interact live with the HRs. A few of the top recruiters included Jio, Zomato Feeding India, Bajaj Capital, LIC, Coding Ninjas, and Fido. Through this initiative, the placement team of PGDAV ensured that the students were able to secure their dream internship from the comfort and safety of their home.
It is a thrilling fact that all the available interview slots on the platform were booked within a short span of inauguration. The recruiters, as well as the participating students, were in the awe of the platform, and the team received positive reviews from all regarding the innovative approach to host a live event despite the restrictions due to the social distancing norms. We saw a footfall of 1,400 students from all across the countries applying for 78 different companies offering more than 40 different profiles. We are proud to emphasize the fact that the highest stipend offered was rupees 65,000. More than 200 students were shortlisted by the companies and offered internship. Being India's first ever 3D virtual internship fair, the event was such a great success that it was covered in various national dailies such as the Times of India.
We at the placement cell of PGDAV College, after 3 months of sheer hard work and dedication, came up with the revamped version of our website. The aim of the new website was to provide students a better and a convenient way to stay updated with the opportunities brought to them by the cell. The new website is interactive and gives a better access to internships, placement drives, workshops, and the monthly blog Corporate Katina covering professional topics. We have also deployed our very own chatbot, the Placement Agent, which solves all the relevant queries of the students and the recruiters 24/7. The students can find useful information about the services on the homepage of the website. The drives and internship section highlight the opportunities available to them. Not only this, to submit their applications easily, students can create their own profile where they can upload or update their CV as per their will and apply to internships and drives without any confusion in not more than a minute.
The cell also runs its monthly blog Corporate Katina. As the name suggests, the blog contains various insights on the topics relevant to the corporate journeys of various students. This year, we discussed on the topics the various professional courses that can be pursued alongside graduation, the hack to make a perfect resume and cover letter, the art of decoding a job description. The cell also releases its monthly newsletter on the first of every month. The newsletter details the various activities carried out by cell during the month. It also contains a special section which talks about a trending skill or technology.
The placement team also took various initiatives to instill much required skills in the students of the college. For this, the cell organized a series of 8 webinars on topics such as how to handle case-based interviews, financial independence, and much more. Along with this, the team successfully enrolled itself with the top online course providing platform, Coursera, for its campus program and provided the students of PGDAV College free access to over 1500 courses from top universities from all across the globe, enabling the students to make the most out of the pandemic. While we do enough in a year, we make sure that everything we do is sustainable in nature. We make sure that while we sustain, we also create. Our ultimate goal is to provide a helping hand to students in their initial step into the world of work, thereby creating a legacy.
In a desire to be the best, we are planning to introduce a certificate course which will focus on enhancing the soft skill of the students of a college. The aim of this course will not only to make the students job ready, but to ensure that they are ready for the upcoming challenges of life. And last but not the least, we will be putting all our best efforts that we surpass this year record and add more and more recruiters in the list to ensure the holistic development of the students of this college.
Excellence, they say, flows beyond boundaries. And we at PGDA believe that the journey has just begun as we strive to scale new heights.